What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. I want to talk to you guys about Ethereum and the unprecedented growth that it's had here ahead of the scheduled merge, which is supposed to be coming here in the middle of September. So apparently, the Ethereum network is adding over 7 unique addresses daily ahead of the merge, which obviously, we're in the depths of the bear market right now. So this is something worth paying attention to. So as of September 2nd, the Ethereum network had 204,571,821 unique addresses, representing a growth of 2,210,529 addresses from 202,000 addresses recorded on August 2nd. All right, let's round it and make it easy. Therefore, over the last 30 days, Ethereum added about 71,307 addresses daily, according to Etherscan data. So it is worth noting. I mean, 70,000 addresses is a lot. I mean, that's a lot of addresses daily. I mean, just think about this. There are, lots of coins that don't even have 70,000 holders, let alone, 70,000 unique. Well, obviously that'd be unique addresses, but like I said, there's a lot of coins that don't even have that many. So this is quite the impressive feat. And you can actually see the Ethereum unique addresses chart. This shows the growth over the past few years and how that's been, proportioned out. And what's kind of interesting is usually you tend to see this kind of curve starting to flatten out, right? But it continues to just keep pumping. Now, there is a chance that it could obviously flip over and start to flatten out. It even says in here a lot of this may be just people in anticipation of the merge, hoping for some kind of rally to happen, either leading up to it or after it, which is really obviously all going to depend on the success of how this merge goes through. If it comes out and it's lights out, it's awesome. I mean, we could end up obviously seeing a really good pump out of it. And that's what I think a lot of people are just in anticipation of. They're hoping that there's going to be this huge, awesome price performance once this does end up playing out. Now, that being said, there's also the chance that things could go very poorly. And we could see the price, drop. And we could see a drop off in the number of holders too. Now, there's kind of speculation as to whether it's going to be successful, whether it's not, because really the big thing is obviously they're switching from proof of work over to proof of stake, and then it's supposed to become a deflationary asset because obviously they're not, being rewarded with new Ethereum anymore. So that's kind of the big difference. So now that being said, Ethereum still does have some of the one of the biggest problems when it comes to network traffic, because obviously Ethereum is not scalable in its current state. Okay. So what that means, if you're not familiar with scalability, is as there is more and more traffic on the network, it gets more and more bogged down. So it takes longer and longer to do transactions, which means that Ethereum gas fees get higher and higher. And we've obviously seen the outcome of that many, many times. Not too much recently, because obviously the price of Ethereum is down, which has definitely helped. But when we were at the height of the bull market, the price of Ethereum was super high. We saw gas fees of, almost $1,000 a transaction. I mean, you could be trying to buy like $10 worth of crypto and you'd have to pay $1,000 to make it go through, which doesn't make sense. Now, obviously Ethereum does have some things up their sleeve as far as trying to reduce transaction fees through sharding and use of level 2 chains and all this sorts of things. But well, obviously, we don't know how that's all going to work out until the actual merge ends up happening. So as of right now, the merge is scheduled for somewhere between September 10th through September 20th. That's when it will actually go live. So they're just kind of averaging out, saying September 15th. It's going to depend, obviously, on how fast some key metrics are hit. So definitely something to pay attention to. But, I thought it was obviously very interesting that we are seeing this crazy growth just ahead of the merge. So we'll have to see, obviously, how everything plays out. And obviously here at ClearCryptos, we'll be paying close attention and keeping you guys updated on the information as we find it. Now, if you haven't already, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you'll know when all of our content is live and ready for you to watch. Also, if you enjoyed your time here, go ahead, hit that like. That'll show us that you're appreciating the content that we're putting out. Appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to see you guys in the next one.